In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize notification settings. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by pop-ups or, on the flip side, missed something important while gaming, tailoring your notifications is the quickest way to get back in control. We'll keep it simple and walk through exactly where to click, along with helpful context so you know what each option actually does. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. At the very top left of the window, you'll see the Steam menu. Go ahead and click the Steam menu to reveal the main options. This is the central place for program-wide controls, and it's where you'll find the tools to change how Steam behaves on your device. From that drop-down, click Settings. On some systems, you may see it labeled as Preferences, but it's the same place. The Settings window is your hub for personalizing Steam, everything from downloads to interface behavior, and it's where all notification controls live. Think of it as your command center for keeping noise down and surfacing only the alerts you care about. Inside the settings window, look for notifications and click it. This section groups the different types of alerts Steam can show you. You'll usually see options related to chat messages, friend requests, game invites, achievements, download completions, and various store or system notices. Opening this panel lets you see at a glance which alerts are on, which ones make a sound, and which ones appear as pop-ups. Now, edit the notifications to your liking. If you want fewer interruptions, turn off pop-ups for things you don't need in the moment, like general announcements, while keeping essentials like direct messages or game invites. If you prefer a subtle experience, keep the visual toast, but disable sound so you'll notice it without breaking your focus. Many setups also let you adjust behavior while in-game versus on the desktop, so you can allow alerts when browsing but minimize them during play. If you commonly download large updates, consider keeping the download complete notice enabled so you know when it's ready. For social players, leave friend and chat alerts on and choose a short display duration so they don't linger. As you make changes, keep an eye on a balanced setup. Too many alerts can become noise, but turning off everything can cause you to miss time-sensitive messages or invites. Steam typically applies these choices immediately, so you can continue using the app and notice the difference right away. That's it. By using the Steam menu, opening settings, selecting notifications, and tailoring each option, you'll create a calmer, more focused experience that matches how you actually play. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newfound control over notifications.